What if I told you that everyday people no tech skills, no inventory, no experience are now making over $5,000 per month with fully automated e-commerce stores, and it's happening in 2025? Sounds crazy? We've helped make it real, and today, I'm revealing how? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I break down real online income strategies that work today, not yesterday. In this video, I'll show you how AMZ Starter is helping clients build hands-free Amazon and Walmart stores that generate $5,000 plus month on autopilot. Here's the truth. E-commerce is booming, but doing it alone is hard. Product research, suppliers, logistics, customer support, ... It's overwhelming. That's why we created AMZ Starter.com. To eliminate all the guesswork, we use a plug-and-play system that includes Heidemann product research, inventory sourcing in USA, UK, Portugal, and France, store automation, Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and more, order fulfillment plus returns management, profit optimization. With this setup, clients hit $5,000 a month within 90 to 120 days. Without lifting a finger, let me tell you about Sarah. She was a busy mom of two in Texas. With no e-commerce background, we launched her Walmart store with our Done-Few system, and by month 4, she was making $5,600 a month in passive income. Then there's Ahmed from the UK, a full-time banker, now earning $6,000 plus month from his Amazon store, fully managed by AMZ Starter. These aren't just numbers, they are life-changing results from a system that works. AMZ Starter is built for 2025. We combine automation tools, expert teams, and AI-driven strategies to create stores that grow silently in the background while you focus on your life. And because our warehouses operate across 4 countries, US, UK, Portugal, France, we guarantee fast delivery and scalable fulfillment. You don't waste months figuring things out. We build and grow the store for you. Ready to build a hands-free $5,000 month e-commerce store in 2025? Visit AMZ.com right now and schedule your free strategy call. We'll show you how to launch, grow, and profit from your own store. Even if you've never sold online before, comment, automate. If you want to get started, like the video if this inspired you. And don't forget to subscribe for more real results and strategies every week.